Okay, here is your little tour of Creative Bug. This is the front you'll get if you are not a member. You can welcome to go in and anyway, I'm sorry. If underneath this video is a link for you to sign up to Creative Bug. You go in there and sign up. You only need one email per family. Your whole family can get in here and use it as much as you want. We have paid for the Pro account, so you get everything. Now, this is for you to be able to teach your children all kinds, actually, you don't have to do it. This will do it. All kinds of amazing programs. Now, we're going to go into daily practice. This is something, if you want your children to do something every day, they can go in and do just daily practice series. If you'll see here, we've got quilting, drawing, we've got crocheting. These are things that they can just go in and they'll have, look at this, self-care classes, keeping sketchbook classes. They've got practice in bookmaking, carve a rubber stamp kit. You name it, it is in here, you guys. Let's click on classes. Check this out. Look at this menu. We've got art and design. Inside, there's craft technology, ceramics, daily practice, drawing and illustration, mixed media, painting, printmaking. You can come in here and do for beginners. Most of these, there's a section over here just for kids if you've got little ones. If you want to do this yourself, by all means. Here's holiday. When Thanksgiving and Christmas comes up, this is so full of fun Thanksgiving and Christmas stuff, you guys. So it's fun. This is a great thing to be doing in December. You should be focused on Creative Bug. You and your children can learn how to bead, do all kinds of earrings, bracelets, leather, metal, wire, necklaces. You can do flowers, you can do baking and cake decorating, bath and body, daily practice, home decor, refurnishing furniture, crocheting for babies, yarn, home decor, knitting, accessories. Do you see how valuable this resource is? Look at the paper, cutting machine crafts, collage and decoupage, sketchbook exercises. Your children, each one of your children should be able to find something in here. Boy or girl, doesn't matter. There is a class in here for your children, and there's beginner. And as they get better, they can even take more advanced courses. We've already paid for that for you. You don't have to upgrade. We've already done that for you. So you can go in and find your children's love, their hobby. Hobbies are vital to the brain. Hobbies are vital for anxiety and depression. People who are not creating get depressed. Boredom. When they're bored, you bring them here. This is what you do. I like to give your children a budget. Give them a $20 budget or a $10 budget or a $5 budget. Show them what they've got. When you click on a class, I'm just going to click on a class here, any of them. Mix, tape, draw, and paint summer fruits. Okay. Over here, it shows you all the videos. And then if you come down here, it will give you, oh, this must not have any. It'll tell you what resources you're going to need. There it is. To get this done. Okay. It will give you a download of exactly what you need to get at a store, or maybe you can get things from your own home. You can pick craft technology. Okay. How cool are these? Look at this, guys. Make a paper zoetrope. I said that wrong. I know I did. And illustrate to procreate. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I want to be in here. Anyway, look in here. Make sure you're in here. Your husband can use this. You can use this. Bring back hobbies, guys. Hobbies are, in my opinion, I like to center all of homeschooling around arts, crafts, hobbies, because math can be learned at any time in your life, but creativity can be lost and it's hard to get back. So you keep the creativity in your children's lives and bring it back into your life by using Creative Bug, and you're going to find out that you have many more creative abilities than you had any idea. Come in, play with them. If they don't like a class, that's okay. Throw it out and do another one. You don't have to pay for these, so you can play with it as much as you want. If you have any questions on Creative Bug, how to use it, how to count for it, some of the classes, by the way, in here, I was looking at, like in the food, when you're working on flowers and some of the baking and canning and preserving, that counts as some of your science classes for reporting. So we will show you how to report a lot of these things. I even saw in here the other day, herb making, soap making, candle making. These are all also scientific projects that you can count towards science credit. So if you have questions, please reach out. If you have any problems logging in, let us know. But Creative Bug, use Creative Bug as if their homeschooling life depends on it, and then use the math and the study.com really to support the skills they need to be able to do these types of crafts and read instructions, that kind of thing. So, all right, have so much fun with this. I wish I had this when I was early homeschooling, and I'm totally jealous that we have it now, but at least I get to play now. So have a great one, and we'll see you on the next one.